Imagine being able to fully control your home office, server, or disaster recovery setup remotely with a device that's compact, fast, and reliable, without relying on complicated software or leaving security to chance. That's the promise of today's device. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to thoughtful, professional product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Today, we're examining the GL.iNet Comet Pro, model GL-RM10, a remote KVM over Wi-Fi solution designed for IT professionals, home office users, and anyone needing secure, high-quality remote access. If you manage multiple systems, work in a home lab, or want robust disaster recovery tools, this device is highly relevant. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Reason number 1. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for seamless connectivity. The Comet Pro supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands alongside wired connections. This dual-band support reduces congestion, enhances stability, and eliminates the reliance on a single connection method. For IT professionals, that means fewer interruptions during remote troubleshooting or system management. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, the flexible connectivity ensures your devices stay accessible even in complex network environments. Reason number 2. 4K video pass-through with two-way audio. With 4K at 30 FPS video pass-through and two-way audio via H.264 encoding, the Comet Pro delivers crisp, low-latency streams to remote users. You can observe and interact with systems as if you were physically present, which is crucial when performing BIOS-level adjustments, OS installations, or emergency recovery tasks. The clear audio also supports natural communication during IT support, eliminating delays or distortion that can compromise workflow. Reason number 3. Intuitive touchscreen interface. The built-in 2.22-inch touchscreen simplifies complex operations. From connecting to Wi-Fi networks to enabling cloud services, every function is accessible through an intuitive interface that requires no technical background. This usability reduces setup time, minimizes errors, and ensures that even less experienced users can navigate the device with confidence. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, the touchscreen makes advanced KVM control approachable. Reason number 4. Built-in Tailscale for secure remote access. The Comet Pro comes with native Tailscale support, enabling encrypted, peer-to-peer connections via WireGuard. This allows secure and efficient remote operations without exposing your systems to public networks. For professionals managing sensitive environments or home labs, this feature provides peace of mind and reduces reliance on third-party VPNs. The result is fast, private data transfer with minimal configuration. Reason number 5. Flexible remote access across platforms. Remote control is possible through web-based cloud functionality for Windows, macOS, and Linux systems without additional software. The GL.KVM app further extends support to Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices, giving users the freedom to manage their setups from nearly any device. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this level of compatibility makes the Comet Pro a versatile tool for modern IT management. Reason number 6. Lightweight, self-hosted cloud option. For those seeking full control, the Comet Pro supports self-hosted deployment on mainstream operating systems like Linux and Ubuntu. You can run a 2-core, 2 GB RAM cloud server and deploy it in one click, with no complex configuration. This is ideal for professionals who want a private, self-contained environment without data collection or external dependencies, ensuring security and sovereignty over their systems. Reason number 7. Remote disaster recovery and expandability. GL.iNet designed the Comet Pro for situations where software-based remote solutions fail. It enables BIOS access, OS reinstallation, and full system recovery from anywhere. Extensions such as the ATX Board or Fingerbot, sold separately, allow remote power on, shutdown, or hard reset, turning this device into a comprehensive disaster recovery tool. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it is an indispensable device for IT professionals and home labs. Final verdict. The GL.iNet Comet Pro excels for IT professionals, home lab enthusiasts, and anyone who requires reliable, high-quality remote access. While it may not replace enterprise-grade KVM over IP solutions in very large-scale deployments, it provides unmatched flexibility, security, and convenience in a compact form factor. With robust Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, 4K passthrough, and built-in Tailscale, it stands out as a premium choice for remote system management. Evaluate your workflow, and if secure, flexible remote access is a priority, the Comet Pro is a highly reliable solution.